Hello friends, so this video will be the practical installation of the tiles. So tiles are very important whenever you construct a house or it may be a renovated house. So the owner of the house will keep a separate budget for the tiles because this is the one building material which will have a good impact on your house. So the installation should be very perfect. So that's why the installation I will be showing you here how the normal procedure of tile installation is done. So the type of tile installation I will be showing you is the vitrified tiles, and this is the first kind of video I will be showing as a practical application. Before that you have seen the technical lectures and also some of the lab experiments. So this is the first time I am trying something new. I hope you will like it. So I am Abhijit and you are watching all about structural analysis and design. So let's start with this today's video. So here the tile installation is going on. Before that the surface has been made leveled and the base has been prepared with the help of cement, sand, mortar. So usually for 10 feet by 10 feet room they use 2 sacks of cement, and sand quantity depends upon the leveled ground surface. Here minimum thickness they use for the base is 1.5 inches. So first they will be making the surface level with this particular tool. Now this slurry has been prepared, which will be poured on this surface before the tile installation. So usually around 10 to 12 kgs cement we use for a 10 to 15 liters of water to prepare a slurry. Now you can see here the slurry which we have prepared is being poured on the leveled surface. Okay, so this operation is very important, and after pouring the slurry, the scratches are made to have a proper bonding between the base and the tiles. So like this way the process has been done. You can see here again the required amount of slurry has been poured on the base. Vitrified tile has been placed on this slurry. Care should be taken that one arrow mark will be there at the downside of the vitrified tile so that the design matches for the next set of tiles. So like this the tiles can be installed here, and it is now being leveled. So again for the next tile the slurry has been poured. You can see here it is a preparation for the next vitrified tile. So again the scratches will be done to have a proper bonding between the tile and the base. You can see here, and this tile is 32 inches by 32 inch square vitrified tile. You see here. So this is the second vitrified tile which is being placed.
Semua itu kan apa?
This picture shows the arrow pattern which you have to follow and which will be given at the back of the tile to follow the laying pattern. Okay, so this you have to carefully see it while installing the tiles, and you have to fit accordingly to match the laying pattern. So this is the finished surface of this particular tile installation, and this is how it looks after completion of the tile fitting. I am thankful to Mr. Shashikant Sir who gave me opportunity to shoot on his site, and I am also thankful to the tile fitters Vishnu, Kiran, and also the head of the tile fitting work, Mr. Anand. If you have liked this video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe all about structural analysis and design. Thank you, friends.